Uhlobo olutsha lokuchaya noluthathelwe phezulu lulutsha olubizwa njenge-vaping lwaluthengiswa njengelona hlobo lukhuselekileyo lokuchaya. Inkcukacha Manani ke zidandalazisa ukuba kubafundi bezikolo zamabanga phezulu amahlanu omnye kubo uchaya i-cigarette. Kodwa ngaphaya kokuchaya olu hlobo lwe-cigarette kukho impondo ezithukuzayo zengxaki yempilo yengqondo. Uphando lubonisa ukuba ukunikela ekutshayeni okanye ukuzinikezela ekutshayeni kulutsha kwandisa uxinzelelo lwengqondo, ukuhlala bexhalabile kude kubangele neengcinga zokuzibulala.
Kuleli viki ku-Asikhulume, Let's Talk.
Kids that are as young as like in grade 4 are vaping now because you get home, mom is vaping. It's a cool thing because like now an alternative for people that used to smoke cigarette is for them to venture into vaping. So when a child sees that, it also looks cool.
Started smoking Zol because I felt like vape and Zol, there's nothing different.
Very, very little is known about the harm vaping can do, particularly at the level of a school.
Then when I started stopping,
Little children are accessing these things. A primary school child smoking, that's tragic, because when once you're hooked, you're hooked for a long, long time, if not for a lifetime.
Young people believe that vaping is not dangerous because it's just smoke coming out of a pen or it's just electricity. It does not damage you, but it does damage their lungs. I personally had a friend who used to vape a lot, and at some point she started having seizures. You know, like she would shake, and now she couldn't walk long distances, she couldn't run. When she does sports, obviously now it's the fainting. So these things do have a huge impact on young people.
All bills and laws, etc., are just paper, unless we give them life.
Hlanganyela kanye nathi njalo ngomsombuluko ku-SABC1 ngehora lesihlanu ntambama.
Ukanti mbukeli kwakweli nqaku namhlanje kwinkqubo Asikhulume kuzawube kucancathwa ke phezu kwalo mba ukusixela banzi ke sikhwebe umdidiyeli wale nkqubo uNonhlanhla Mthembu. Masikubulise Mvelase, sikubulele futhi ngokwenza ithuba ukuba uncokole nathi namhlanje ku-SABC The Higher.
Oh, siyabonga kakhulu leli thuba, and thank you so much. Ngithanda ukuthi Happy Africa Day to all our viewers namhlanje. Yes.
Nonhlanhla, sibukele ngokipackage ubukhe wayoyenza esitratweni nabemi boMzantsi Afrika nabantu abatsha. Ndiyabona ukuba the effects of ukuvape siyaziva. Kodwa ndiyabala uyazi into yoba mhlawumbi ngoku ubuncokola nabo unobangela ukuba bazibona abantu abatsha sebetshaya le vape yintoni na, ngoba ndiyakholwa ukuba isizathu sikhona sona.
Yeah. And ngithanda ukusho ukuthi it was purely for that reason ukuthi size siphume sihambe siyokhuluma nama case studies esikhulume now. If you recall, umfana lo ombonile lapha ngengahlala isikhathi eside mina naye sixoxa even before siqala sifilm, angitshela the way ukuthi ukhule in an environment la ukuthi ubedila ne bullying esikolweni, angazi ukuthi akhulume kanjani, angazi ukuthi uzotshela bani. Kodwa kwase kuba khona laba bangena the same school okuthi badala nakuye. That was the only way angakwazi ukuthi athole ukukhuseleka ngayo. But now those ones are now doing wrong things. And ukuthi belong there, kwamele ukuthi enze lokho abakwenzayo. He started ukubhema vape as a primary school. Uyasebenza namhlanje. He is still dealing with his recovering journey. Ukubonisa ukuthi leyo nto leyo ingozi kangakanani. Siphinde futhi sakhuluma nabazali. Abaningi abazali esikhulume nabo bayithatha kancane lento. Especially kuma communities wethu emalokishini bayithatha kancane bathi hayi sebabona nje abantwana baphethe lezi zinto asazi nokuthi yini. And sabona ukuthi kuyadingeka ukuthi sibize iDepartment of Health. Ize izohlala nathi, sizobe sinosisi uLerato Mahura ovela ku National Department of Health ozofika akwazi ukuthi achazele umphakathi, achazele especially abazali ukuthi lento inobungozi obungakanani. You know, khona umzali esikhulume naye wathi hayi mina ngizazi lezi zinto futhi anyway umntwana mvele uspend isikhathi esiningi esikolweni. So maybe abothisha yibo ekumele ukuthi bazi ngalezi zinto because yibo abahlala nabantwana. But sesaya futhi nasema ofisini waseNeptos inhlangano yothisha labathi khona siyakhala ngabazali okukuthi abaziniki ithuba lokusiza ekukhuliseni abantwana. Ekukhuliseni abantwana babo laba thina esibafundisayo. So siyancenga, siyacela kuma parents ukuthi mawazinike isikhathi sokuthi ba-understand abantwana babo, ba-understand ukuthi abantwana babhizi ngani. The activist engikhulume naye, this young girl ombona laphana, uthi ngisebenzisana kakhulu namaphoyisa nezikolo ekusizeni abantwana ukuthi makungabi nama drugs, makungabi nezinto ezama-vapes esikolweni. Uthe sikutholayo kaningi abantwana babafana bakhala ngokungabi nama-father figures empilweni zabo. So abantwana bakhuliswa yi-community, and i-community you are now talking about abangani, you are now talking ama-gangsters asemalokishini, yibo abantu ababhekela phezulu kubo. Kodwa okubuhlungu kakhulu futhi esesakuthola ngalokhu ukuthi abantwana babukela kubazali, babona into ezenziwa abazali. Abazali have taken into ye-vaping very light, bayahlala nje bayenze phambi kwabantwana. Umntwana think is cool. Siphinde sathinta futhi kakhulu nendaba yama-bills ase-South Africa.
Alright.
Njengoba usho uBasil kunhlangano yothisha iNEPTOSA asho ukuthi ama-bills into nje esephepheni. Kudinga thina siwumphakathi bese siyayi-applya leyo nto leyo siyayenza. Kodwa inkinga enkulu eyenza ukuthi i-vape lena izigcwale kangaka naseyikoleni yingoba iyatholakala noma kukuphi. Umntwana uyakwazi ukungena esiphaza shop ayithenge. Lamalanga indawo ezithengisa into ezinjengogwayi, ama-vape abasenandaba. Umntwana omncane uyakwazi ukuthi angena afike athenge lento. So i-accessibility yiyo eyenza ukuthi lento ibe so much out of control.
No Nhlanhla ithi invisa kabuhlungu ngoba ngabantwana abancinci abasithetha ngabo. Ngoba ke kuyaboneka lokuba amaxhala wethu ngoku awasenanto na kwenza nedarha, because ndiyakhumbula into yoba sasiqale sisoyika into enedarha phaa kuqala. Ngoku nento ekuthiwa zi-vape. But ke ngoku Nhlanhla uncedo lufumane kaphi? Because ke ndiyabona into yoba mhlawumbi zinto zasemalokishini ezi zenzeke elokishini. And xa sila ngento ezineebhili Nhlanhla, elokishini ngubani onalo ithuba lokuba athathe ibhili ayifunde and understand it. But if umuntu obukele right now ngumzali ongumntana osesikolweni ufuna uncedo, mhlawumbi kule investigation nayo yenza uncedo lufumaneka phi njani?
Siyaletha ke uncedo kumphakathi wethu namhlanje. Mabangayenza nje ukuthi benze sure ukuthi ngo-5 ntambama bayabukela ku-SABC1 asikhulume. Njengoba bese ngimentionile ukhona uSisi Lerato obuya kwa-Department of Health uzosichazela kabanzi ngobungozi obuhambelana nalento, because kaningi abazali njengoba ngisho ukuthi abaningi bayithatha kancane lento. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi mabangafind out namhlanje njengoba bazobukela ukuthi inobungozi obungakanani lento le, bazokwazi ukuthi nabo bathi ukuthi ukukhuphula izinga. Siphinde futhi sibe no-Ingrid bani. U-Ingrid ubuya ku-National Council Against Smoking. Uyi-youth advocate. Usebenza kakhulu nentsha yase-South Africa. Usebenza kakhulu nezikolo emalokishini bakwazi ukuthi basize lapho okukuthi abantwana sebangenile kulento nalabo ukuthi abakafiki nokufika. So ngempela silethe usizo namhlanje. Our guest abantu ukuthi bazofike banikezele ngolwazi, banikezele ngama-contacts la abantu bangakwazi ukuthi basithinte khona. I mean u-Ingrid nje naphakathi kweviki last week ubese sithumele ama-contact numbers okukuthi sizobe siwaveza during uhlelo lwethu namhlanje, where people can be able to see ukuthi where do I go for help. Ngoba ngempela abazali abaningi abazi ukuthi benza. You know khona ubaba engikhulume naye wathi Nhlanhla inhliziyo yami iba buhlungu ngoba umntwana makaphuma esikolweni wena uthi esikolweni makaqeda nje ukujika ngekhona uya kwezinye indawo. Uthi and futhi sesifindile out nokuthi nalezi zinto abazibhemayo bayazithatha bafake ezinye idakamizwa ngaphezulu ezindlula lokho esithi thina i-vape. Uyabona, so abantu abanjengalabo yibe ngabakhuthaza kakhulu ukuthi mababukele namhlanje bakwazi ukubona ukuthi usizo bangalithola kanjani. Usizo lona lukhona. Usizo lukhona.
Ngethemba also Nhlanhla ukuthi nabo tishara
Yebo.
ibingase babukele ngoba nabo uyatsho nawe into yoba ngabona abantu badilishana okanye ababachaphazelekana nabo kulomba.
You know ngithande kakhulu i-statement esikhulunywe uBasil oyi-CEO yeNEPTOSA njengoba ngisho ukuthi sesavakashela ama-offices wabo. Uyasho ukuthi sawothisha sibothisha sinikiwe i-curriculum ukuthi masifundise abantwana. Kodwa kuyadinga ukuthi as a teacher ungafundisi nje i-curriculum.
Yes.
Teach the child. Fundisa umntwana. Because mawenza kanjalo uzokwazi ukubheka nalezi ezinye izinto ukuthi they are outside the curriculum. Because i-curriculum it teach subject, teach maths
Njalo.
ukuthi lo mntwana ufika
Uphila njani,
asesimeni esinjani uphila kanjani
Yeah.
ayibaniki lokho so naye ngiyafisa ukuthi vele othisha nabo babukele bakwazi ukuwuza umlayezo wakhe ngoba uyacela kuba ukuthi masibe nabazali kodwa akayishiye emuva eyokuthi nabo abazali babantwana mababe ingxenye yalento.
Nonhlanhla kakusinike yonke inkcukacha zokubombukela umbukelaphi wasikhulume namhlanje.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu asikhulume njengoba nazi kule nyanga sesisuke uqala nje kwalenyanga sesashintsha sesidlala ku we are still on SABC1 kodwa manje we are Mondays ngomvulo ngehora lesihlanu. Ngiyacela nje kakhulu ukuthi mabatune in bakwazi ukuthi babukele ukuthi namhlanje sibaphathelene njengoba ngisilo usizo lukhona.
Masibulela. Kanti ngembukele binguye lowo ongumbhexesho kanye umqulunqi wayo uasikhulume apha SABC uNonhlanhla Mthembu. Esinabisela ke masimngenge masukulindele namhlanje pha kwinkqubo yakhe uasikhulume. Kanti ngembukele ngoku masijonge kweli inqaku.